Hi, here is Xiang. Today, I want to share my PSA poster. It's about banning on violent video games to children. Now, I will give you specific details about my poster. I chose black as the main color in my poster. According to the color theory, black is a color that is often used to portray something evil, depressing, scary, and even death. At the same time, the black color meaning is often negatively charged. Here, I used black because I want to convey a depressed feelings to the audience. At the same time, I also use red and white. These two colors also convey the depressed and scary emotion to audience. In my poster, I used two images. I chose these two images based on a psychology experiment. Bubble door experiment. The first image, the bottom, shows how violent video games impact to the children. According to the experiment's result, the children can observe the people's bad behaviors and then learn through observing it. Some children will be indeed able to imitate that behaviors, the top or right. Some of them just learn it, but not performing on the bottom. However, most of families are not paying attention to this. So I want to convey this information to audience. So I show the test performing and not performing in the poster. At the same time, I put my title in the middle of the poster that can attract the eyes of the audience easily. Finally, I designed two evil's hands as a poster's background because I want to emphasize the seriousness of the problem. In my poster, I try to use less text but more pictures because a picture is worth 1,000 words. I hope you guys enjoy my poster. Thank you very much.